Welcome to Northeastern. My name is Eli Larson. I am the welding instructor here, and I do all kinds of welding processes. And today we're going to discuss about what you can do in this field, how you can accomplish it, and how you can use it in the real world. You can see in the background we have all the welders here. We have our MIG, TIG, stick, and we also will talk about safety. We'll talk about how you should keep your boots clean and the processes of how you set up a machine and whatnot. You look at the Fast and Furious franchise, the mechanic actually welded over 90% of those cars. In fact, that's all that was done to those cars was nothing but fabrication. There are 6 welding certificates that you can take that'll lead up to a welding associate's degree. So now come on down to Northeastern Technical College where you can enjoy stick and MIG in the fall, and then you can enjoy TIG and flux core in the spring. It's a fun process. I can promise you, you will not be disappointed. This program, you will have a blast.